Welcome on our channel. For this recipe, we're going to make potato chips. In our previous videos, we have already published a recipe for plain chips. This time we will do it with some red oil. Cut the potatoes into thin slices with the knife. You need to rinse several times to remove the starch. Use paper towels to clean. You can also let it dry in a colander for a few hours. Then fry in hot oil. Soak some with red oil. So we have light chips made from red oil and darker ones with vegetable oil. Salt everything in made of mixture. Add paprika and onion powder. That was it. We dare say that the red oil chip stands out, and it's nice. If you appreciate this video, please don't go without liking. It's super important. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.